right. 3, 2. Oh. And there we go. Awesome. Audio is coming through. We got that. Alrighty. So. Okay. Sorry about that. So, plan today is to start work on a new Discord bot. Music gets a little too loud. Let's turn that down. If I can figure out what friggity tab my music is apparently playing in. Might go away, you. Go over here. There we go, much better. Barely even audible. Alrighty, so goal today, work on a new Discord bot and probably do a little bit of housekeeping stuff for the stream. I'd kind of like to get a little bit better overlay on here, so I might work on that for a bit. But had an idea, or at least someone else had the idea of setting up a kind of opinion poll bot in Discord. So figured since I've already done a Discord bot in the past, this seems like a nice little addition to that, a nice little spin-off. So I'm mainly going to be working on that. So yeah. Other big news, there's the leaked draft and all the rumors buzzing around about the Roe and Casey ruling from the Supreme Court. So I think either tomorrow, Wednesday I'm busy, Thursday I'm busy. Tomorrow I'm also supposed to be busy. I have too much non-stream personal life shit going on. So I think tomorrow I might do a late night stream, kind of just going over Roe and Casey, because those are two things I've never really looked into much personally before. So I think I might take the time to actually start going through those and, I don't know, look through the opinions. Maybe not read through the opinions whole cloth, because I would assume that'd be rather boring. But working, yeah. So maybe going through those, or at least just trying to read up a bit on more of the minutia details of Roe and Casey and why they were decided the way they were. But in the meantime, tonight, probably just gonna listen to some chill music, do some little bit of bot programming, and yeah, maybe do some podcast listening. I haven't really checked much of the podcast today to see if any of them would even be worthwhile listening to. But so yeah, right now it'll just be chill music and work. Hopefully y'all are having a bearable Monday, and if not, hopefully it'll get a little bit better for you. Still got a few hours in your Monday to hopefully turn it around. Alright, so Discord bot. Already, if you've been watching the stream before now, then you probably remember that I did a Discord bot a while back. This was a notification bot that would pretty much welcome new users when they joined a Discord server. There would be a kind of a little message. We had this JSON, or is this even a JSON, or is it just, yeah. Saved it as a JSON just for shits and giggles, even though it's not really much of a JSON. But it works as well. It's just a list of questions. This could probably just be a pickle file, given the fact that we're just saving it to and from a Python object. Should probably just pickle this instead of making it a JSON, but that's just kind of the way I first took a stab at it. And so this pretty much just has a list of questions. And so set all this up so that whenever a new user joined a Discord server, in the announcements, someone would join the Discord server, then it would ping in the kind of general chat that, hey, welcome, fill out the survey, it has all these questions, yada yada. Like my bot test, it would do something like this. Someone would jump in the server and it would at them, say hello, and then spit out some questions that they may or may not respond to. But this bot has yet to be activated because someone hasn't given the bot permission to run in their server. So maybe that'll happen someday, or it'll sit running on my Raspberry Pi forever, never doing a goddamn thing. I really want to reach out to Bastien and be like, yo, approve this already, but I've kind of already done that twice, and he hasn't responded yet, and so I'd feel a little bad doing it again. So in the meantime, we're just gonna let Sleeping Dogs Lie work on making another bot, and then hopefully, then when I send him another request to be like, hey, I made a second bot for the Discord server, you should let it in. Maybe that'll be like, oh yeah, and let me go let in the other bot that you already made. So, but in the meantime, we'll get started on this. So, the way that I kind of picture this working is that there'd be some kind of, make quiz, or not quiz, make poll command, and then it would just parse kind of the next bit of inputs. So this would be should the this poll bot will be the best ever, and then not exactly sure. I think quotes would probably be the best way to do this. So this would be like response 1, blah, response 2, blah. Or actually, the better way to do this would be something like make poll and make it just actually more program-ish like. So we'll do like dash, like make poll dash P for like prompt, and then it'll do, this is the prompt. I don't know how to spell prompt for the poll. Dash R1 response 1 dash R2 response 2 ... You can have as many of those. Actually, okay, because I want this to be flexible enough to have kind of any number of responses, and doing something like that is going to be a bitch and a half to do. So I know the way that Python does that is it'll just do an R, and then in the Python code you can set it up to kind of read everything with spaces between it and then just like throw them all into a list. And so then you can do something like R, it'll be like response 1, response 2, response 3, ... so on and so forth. The other thing is that I'm assuming the way that this would work is through reactions. So you'd have like either a check mark, or a red X. No. Not like those. No. I'm trying to find, like, instead of a green check mark, like a red X. What are my options? Travel, objects. I would assume it would just be right next to the green check. I don't want it to be a negative squared cross mark. Something like this. So less than ideal. Another check mark. Why don't you have what I want? Ha ha ha. But effectively, I guess it doesn't really matter, but you would effectively be able to pick like two. there would be some kind of reaction to each of the prompts, and that it would. Okay, that was just music. Man, I'm really surprised that they don't have it. Like, why don't they have it? So it's just something like this that really bothers me. But it would effectively have these two prompts there, and then other people can just, click on there to kind of cast their vote. So here we could have any number of responses, and then effectively I would want, those are your responses, and then dash, these are reactions, reaction. And then here you would just have to do, I don't know how, so reaction will then grab those and it'll just automatically map those on in order. Is how I'm kind of seeing this work. And then, so the only hiccup that I maybe see is I am not sure how Discord will handle these guys. But we'll just take it one step at a time. So in here, we're gonna do what every great programmer does when they start a new project. Take their old shitty project, copy and paste it over. Notify bot, I don't care about you. I want to go to Polbot. I have a README. New Python file. Polbot.py. We're just gonna start copying this over. I'm probably gonna do the boring thing where I actually type this out, just because I'm still trying to get used to all of the kind of bot syntax and everything, and so I think typing it all out will help that get a little bit more ingrained. Oh yeah, I don't know if I actually need, I'm gonna leave these out for the time being because I don't remember if this, or at least I remember these intents were had to do with, some permission issues, which I don't know if I'm going to need in this or not, but we'll just add them just in case. 10 stop members is true. Client. So general channel ID, I'm not going to need any of that because I don't want this to be limited to any specific channel. Bot is on, don't want that, don't need that. So I can pretty much set all of these guys up. Client.event def ready. This is just going to automatically run. This is not, so this is just to give, the user a heads up. Format. Yeah. just to give the user a heads up. Like, hey, I ran. I'm done. I did my thing. Please don't, be happy with me, please. And we want to do a client event. No, stop doing that. No, stop it. Async def on. So yeah, I don't want that to be an on member join. So yeah, pretty much all we want is an on message. That'll take the message. Bot is on. I probably do want all of my bots to have a bot is on variable. Just because I want to be able to like turn it on and off and everything. I want you to use the global bot is on. I'm not going to need either of those. Author admin. So this would be, yeah, to limit like admin usage of the thing, which I don't really think I want much for this, because this is effectively just going to be looking at any message. And then, oh yeah, fuck, I hate how it does this. So yeah, we want to check that the bot is on. We don't really need that. Right now I don't really need the author. I definitely want this to just exit out early. Oh my god. It knows it's a variable, but yet it still tries to fucking make it. What the fuck are you doing, Spider? Alright, bot is on. If not, why is insert on? Probably because I was doing the cut and paste shit earlier. Message content starts with that, and I just want you to return right away. How many? Wait, 2, 3, 4. Does that look? Huh. Doesn't look like, man, that looks like way more than 4 to me. Maybe I'm just going blind. Okay, so if it doesn't start with that, then it's not a command. Just break out right away. Do I want to do the clean? So this, yeah, made everything lowercase and then stripped out any white spaces. I don't think, mainly because I don't know what, let's just close. I don't need Steam right now. I don't know about these reactions. If I'm assuming some of these can have capital letters in them. Yeah. And so I don't think I want to lower everything because I still want to be able to use these, even though the default one is all lowercase. But okay. So boo boo boo. Message return. Yeah, sorry, I keep getting distracted with Twitter, because everyone's tweeting out hot takes about the SCOTUS leak. All right, ignoring it for the time being. We're ignoring all of that right now. It's too much of a hot button issue. We're just gonna fucking cover it tomorrow, maybe. Unlikely, but maybe. What am I looking for right now? I'm looking for that, so I can go there. Boom. Okay. Do. I am over here, except no, I want this tab open so I can look over here. Cool. So I've got that on. If the message doesn't start with that, I think I do want to do just like a basic strip though. Lower, no, I don't want lower. I do want strip. So that'll cut off any of the white spaces on the edges. I wish I had a bit more of a wider angle lens. Or if I just like sat further back here. But now I'm like fucking forever away. Because I like to do the hand motions. And since I'm still freaking close, even I'm assuming, yeah, that's not gonna get the hand motions in here. It's most upsetting. Okay. Go back into the corner, you. There. Good enough. So we want a clean message. So here, right now, yeah, I probably want this just to, yeah, I think being able to turn it on and off is probably just going to be a universally good thing. Equals, yeah. Is on equals true. Yeah, so client user. This was if the bot is off. And we had to do it after this because if we did it before, then the turn on message never turned it on. If not, so if the bot is off, and just cut out right now, you're done. So this check here, the bot's message causing infinite loop of messages. So yeah, I want to make sure that it's not possible to like trigger this off of a bot message. Just in the weird corner case that might happen. Because then if it triggers, then it'll trigger again, and then we'll have just like an infinite fucking cascade of messages coming through, which hopefully we can avoid. So we got that. So if the message author, so if this thing has an author property and it's not the same as the client.user, which the client user in this case was the bot itself, then breakout. Okay, cool. So now what I need to do is, so yeah, probably having, now if clean message equals, we'll do this, bot test, then we will await channel, this is send. Is this test working? I think that's all I need right now. I do need to do some stuff on the other screen here, like get the password and everything set up, which I don't know if I remember how to do. All right, so this is for my poll bot. You must specify at least one URL, authorization method, client information. Your app will stop working until you update the secret key in your app code. Yes, I always forget that. Alright, so this is going to go over here. So we do load dot, I want to run that. And I want to do client run os get environment token. So I run, I have to give it the token that I've made. I need to go into here, create a new file, call it a .env, and then off screen over here, so you don't get to see it, I'm going to regenerate the secret, copy it, go over here, my env, create a token, set that equal to that thingy, save it, and then close that file. Actually, let's double check. Yep. And that token looks shorter. Why is the token for the other bot so much longer than... I really don't want to reset that. Weird. Very, very interesting. Okay. So close that. I guess we'll find out here in a minute if this works or not. Why identify name in instance, or is this intense? Yeah. I don't know why. Cool. UJSON, you. So this will load the dot environment. From here, it'll make the token. Anaconda. Let's cd Discord bots. The poll bot. Python pollbot.py. Let's just run this, the loop. Error, unauthorized. Why? Actually, I should probably throw this over here real quick. Base HTTP exception error, unauthorized. The above expression was the direct cause for the following exception. Improper token has been passed. What do you mean, an improper token? For it will not be shown to you again. Okay, might need to do a little bit of debugging off screen here because the token is not working. So let's do a little print you. What do you return if I print you there and run again? Yep, you print that, which is good. It means that it's reading the .env file. Alright, let's reset the secret. Yes, do it. Copy it. Go over here. Paste that there and save it. So yeah, I'm looking at why is the token for the welcome bot like substantially longer than the token for no, the equals. Why is that? I don't like this. This is upsetting. Probably because something do? Why are you? It is a bot. I want it to send messages. Manage emojis and stickers, I think. Manage messages. Attach files, mention everyone, use external emojis. Use external stickers, add reactions, use slash commands. I think that's what I want. I want to copy that. No, thank you. And so I pretty much want to go there, cut and paste that into the URL. QAuth does not have a bot. Add restrictions, what? Authorization custom URL? No, in-app authorization. Bot, oh, okay. Send messages. Manage emojis and stickers, use external stuff. Save changes. So now do it again. Fuck you. All your edits have been carefully recorded. URL generator. Send messages, use those. Do that, copy that URL, go into the web tab thingy, paste it. QAuth application does not have a bot. What do you mean it doesn't have a bot? I've checked in-app authorization. Is that what I did wrong? Oh, okay, that's add a bot. Adding a bot will give users app visible life. Yes, do it. Whole bot. Okay, let's look up a nice little icon here. Poll. I kind of like this one. What else? Yeah, I kind of like this one. Let's save image. Go to pictures. Save pictures. Whole image. Then we'll go back over here. Change the image of my little bot. There are no images that match your search. What do you mean there are no images that match my search? I'm looking for... There we go. Ooh, I think that might be... I gotta go look at my other bot that I have up and running. So I have that checked, I have that checked. Not be enforced until August 31st, what? And then I've got bot permissions down here, which I don't think I need to do anything for. Okay, that might be why. The secret is, wait, no, so that's a secret. Client information, okay. This is the token that I need to copy. There we go. Now if I go into the environment variable, delete that, paste the secret there, save that, clear all of that. There we go. Been a little while since I set this up, so that's probably why. Maybe. Yeah, we have logged in. Yay, we did it. So close that, move that over there, move that over here, grab you like that, and we are good. So now I should be able to open up Discord, grab the sharing URL. Excuse me. Copy that URL, go into my web browser, put that there, and it should, yeah. Oh wait, you need to log, why do you need me to log in? Go away. Add it to the bot testing, continue. It will use all of those permissions, and I will authorize this. I will confirm that I am a human. Now I need to pick on pictures of motorcycles. Boom, and Polbot is online. Cool. So now if I do, oh wait, test, okay. What is this? Test bot. Bot test. And the welcome bot also kicks off. Okay. Definitely gonna need to change that so that this is unique. Okay. So test, bot test, poll. No, the real fucking 5-head idea would be to, yes, have bot test trigger any and all of my bots that I have running. And then also set it up so that I can do, you know, bot test, bot, poll. And then it'll only trigger the poll bot. But that is a future update for a future day. In the meantime, okay, basic poll bot is working. So that's good. Alrighty. So the next test, I don't need this. The on message is really all I'm going through right now. So yeah, now I pretty much just need to parse a string. It's pretty much all, and I'm gonna have to go through the API documentation again to figure out how to interact with the sounded like I heard a door close. Which, okay, I'm gonna be paranoid and go check that out real quick. I'll be back in a sec. Okay. Good news. 0 serial killers in my apartment. At least none that I was able to find. So, I'm gonna call that a victory. Go away. Cool. So now pretty much all I need to do is come up with effectively an arg parse, which might be interesting to just look up explicitly. Like, how does Python parse work? Authoritative to be gentle in terms of arg parse or command running parsing module. Parse module 2.7, the existing module named OptParse. This new module contains the implementation for several functionalities with quite difficult additions to the pre-existing ones. Because, I mean, the simplest way to do this, yeah, just hit it with like a split based on the underscore. I wonder if there's a way you can do a conditional split. You know what? No, I don't. It just doesn't need to be super fucking robust. For now, I think my 3 inputs will be just like -p for pull prompt, -r for responses, and then -e for emojis. Is there really no I or no E in the plural of emojis? Yeah, it is just an S, huh? Interesting. I guess I don't really see too many words ending in I, so. Alrighty, cool. So I think these will just be my prompts. I am super duper curious as to what that gets done as. So I think what I want, so I pretty much want LF clean message dot starts with poll. For now, no, come on. Just print the message. So that way I can see it in here. And then hopefully I can have a better view of what the message content is actually gonna be. Stop, you! Okay, I'm just gonna close you. Whole lot. So yeah, I need to go to Python. Alright, so the poll bot is doing its thing. I'm going to make you tiny. So I can now do something like, not that, but no, go away. So I can do like that, copy, paste, and do that. All right. So this is just being displayed as whatever that is. Yeah, because what I'd like... Okay, there's gotta be a way to... Yeah, let's figure out box with a question mark. Python print shows box with a question mark. UTF character using the Python program editor. I have trouble outputting characters such as those silly European characters. Gives the following question mark as an output, not in following code will input random text, blah blah blah. You're using Python 2, I assume, running on a platform like Linux that encodes an IO UTF-8. Python 2's double quote literal represent byte strings, where if you use your ISO encoded source file, the variable input, the value B when you has the value binary or B byte string dash XEB5R. When you print this, the raw bytes are outputted to the console, but show up as a question mark because they are not valid UTF-8. To demonstrate, try running it with a print reper A instead of print A. When you use raw input, the user's input is already UTF-8 encoded and so are correctly output. To fix this, either encode your string as a UTF-8 before printing it. Okay. The Unicode strings use Unicode strings U text instead of byte strings. You'll need to be careful with decoding the input, since a Python 2 raw input returns a byte string rather than a text string. If you know the input is UTF-8, use raw input.decode UTF-8. Enter your source file in UTF-8 instead of ISO 8891. Okay, so I wonder if there should be a way. So if I just do print type clean message. Why? Oh, this is going to be dumb. It's not going to do a little print thingy, even though it is active. Because it's dumb. I don't know why it does that. So if I just do V, no, I need copy, paste. Unicode error, char map. Code EC can't encode character U 2705 in position 91. Character maps to undefined. Okay then. Print. Okay, so this is why it was giving me that like little question mark thing. 91, I'm going to assume that if I took the time to count this all out, that would be position 91. Yeah, if I just actually just copy, it does a little thing like that. 4, 3, 91. Okay, yeah, effectively there. Okay. What is going to be the way then? So I need a way for Python here to read in this message and read these as, ideally, I think it would be just read it as, not as this colon white check mark, default emoji, use emoji everywhere on Discord, is to read it as this. But how do I get Python to read that as such? Let's go over here. Let's do message. No. Manuals. API reference. Message. Okay, boom. Author, channel mentions, content, the actual contents of the message, type string. That just takes me here. Class string, object B, encoding, UTF, errors, strict. Might be able to just what is going to be the better way to do this? Return an encoded version of the string as a bytes object. Default encoding is UTF-8. Errors may be given to set different error handling scheme. Oh yeah, see, now it's printing out everything. We have logged in as poll, class string. There's got to be a way to list the embeds in the message has, channel, call, reference, mention everyone. Let's just go back. Attributes. Delete edit is system pin. Publish remove reaction. Reply on reference unpin. Remove reaction. Function as a code routine. Remove reaction by the member form of this message. The emoji may be Unicode emoji or a custom guild emoji. If the reaction is not your own, i.e. member parameters not you, then the manage message is, which I think this should have. No. Not that this really needs it though. The member parameter must present a member to me to abstract base class snowflake. Union emoji reaction. Forbidden. Not found. Clear reaction. Emoji. So I wonder, is there a way to... There should then be a way to like get... raw reactions. List reaction. Reactions to a message. Reactions can either be a custom emoji or standard Unicode emoji. So let's do Python Discord API get reactions in a message. The reacted because ideally what I want this to do, yeah, it should let's just try. Transcript website, but it gives me the error. Music follow URL web, URL, get read, beautiful soup, print, anti-encode errors, code input errors, blah, Unicode format, can't encode errors, and character position blocked, character maps to undefined. I was getting the same Unicode error, I'm saying script about text file, fix that code with file write as file write with this encoding UTF-8. So maybe I just need to make that more explicit. Yeah, let's try. Okay, let's try this. I'm gonna want to take the. Yeah, actually, I wonder, like, what type is it in right now? Python check encoding of string. Finding the text which is having non-standard character encoding is a very common step in performing text processing. All the text would have been formatted in UTF-8 or ASCII-2 encoding ideally, but this might not be the case always. So, in such cases, when the encoding is not known, such non-encoded text has to be deleted or detected and can be converted into a standard encoding. So this step is fuck off encoding. So this step is important before processing the text further. Charade, for performing the detection and conversion of encoding Charade, a Python library is required. This module can be simply installed using the sudo easy install Charade or pip install Charade. To the wrapper function around the Charade module. Try if is instant. Ser Charade detect s encode else. What the fuck? Charade be encoding. Which encoding is it? Accept Unicode. Decode error. Detect. Encode. So S is some string. S equals S dot encode. But I feel like if you call encode, it's going to do UTF. Is encoded as D1 is my name is Dalal. Encode the string using specified encoding. If no, UTF-8 will be used. So what happens when I run this? My name is blah. Okay, so it's converting, so it's converting that and that. There's two. I guess this is these two combined form the, yeah. Okay, so let's just try dot encode. Run that. Oh yeah. Might not want that. I really want this tool to work. So, nah, it's gonna be a pain now. I should just stick with the get bash. Okay, so I need to go into my Discord bots. I need to go into my poll bot. I need to open up this over here. Oh, and then I need to run that guy. It's not gonna print anything, but that's fine. So not really. I'm gonna copy you and do enter. And then cancel so that I actually get the print. Okay, so this is the encoding for these things. That's cool. So how do I go from this to this without, ooh, I mean, I could, okay, one thing at a time. One little baby thing at a time. Row mentions, reactions, referral mentions, stickers. Okay. If I do reactions, this will get the reactions to a message. It can either be custom emoji or standard Unicode emoji. Gives a list of reactions. So what? I'm trying to think now, how am I going to be able, because right now this is doing it on message. It's triggering on a message being sent. I want to grab said message. And then I want to, actually I wonder if these in the string would be read as reactions. Maybe? I doubt that. Reactions have a count, custom emoji, emoji, me, and a message. Clear, remove users. I can do equal, okay. Reactions to a message, reactions. So I should just be able to do message.reactions. Message.reactions. And that should just return like a list of these are the reactions. Runtime error, blah blah blah. This is saying there are no reactions, which is dumb. Well, I mean, no, it's not, because there are no reactions to this. What would be? Okay, thought. So for testing purposes, clean message equals last I should have a message ID. So here's the thought. Thinking. I want to be able to get the reactions to that thing. But I want to get a specific message. Python Discord, get last message. Last message, self, context, user ID. Oldest message equals none for channel and guild.text channels. Okay. We're just gonna throw you there. Gotta go there. Oh, fuck. God damn it. I hate how fucking Spider does this. This is really, because I can't close out one. Like if I close out quick, it closes it out on both of them. So if I just want to go back to like single-sided, I can't just do that easily without closing everything. Close this. Oh, okay, there. Yeah. Okay, alright, that's not bad. Commands. Oh, wait, what? For example, commands command. Channel history. Let's just do this. Python. So I should have message.id, which that should just be a thing. I already have. Go back. Yeah, okay. Too far back. So I should -1, because I'm assuming that these messages are going in chronological order. So Python Discord get message by ID. If you don't have a channel ID but only a message ID, you just need to loop through your accessible channels and check which ones have the message that matches your ID. For channel and client, get all channels. I don't want to do that because I already know the channel. Is there just a client.getMessage? Yeah, last message ID last message equals client dot channel. Okay. We're gonna go like that. We're gonna look up messageable message, client user, text channel, store channel, blah blah blah. Wait, no. I want. Why are you? A channel is a text channel. A The message sent could be a DM channel or group channel if it's a private message, because of this message.author client dot client clients, coach message, emoji guilds, private channels, users, method, get channel. Then it needs message dot channel, which this should return the channel ID. I assume. Let's just double check. Python, Discord, get channel ID message was sent in. Use same variable twice, just for user ID, content, message channel, message.channel.id. Okay, yeah. That returns the channel like object, which I guess I just didn't see. The text channel. Okay, channel, and then I can do .id. That'll give me the channel, so I want to get that channel. That'll return a channel object. Then I want to call, assuming it has a get message, mentions last message. Fetches the last message from this channel in cache. The last message ID. Okay, I don't want that. Send, typing, clone, create invite, delete message, edit, fetch message. Why is it fetch message and not get message? If you're going to be using get and set, just use that uniformly. Don't fucking do a random fetch in there. Fetch. I'm assuming, I hope. So that should get that message, whatever the last one was. So to see if that even worked, I will then just print last message. Okay. Save all of that. Is this even running? Nope. Testing. Please ignore. Custom one just to see what happens. So the pull bot is up and running. Last reactions. Print it there. Exceptional. Oh, no. Traceback, del, self-close, yada, yada, exception ignored. Wait, why? Discord bots, poll bots, Python, poll bots. Alright, so we have logged in. Might help. But that's probably not a new message. Fuck. Okay. Alright. Hey, this is... Okay. Last message, coroutine object. Message at blah, blah, blah. Okay. What's going on here? Message ID turns type int. So why? Oh wait, no, there it is. Okay, current message ID blah. Last message coroutine object. Fetch message. Those are not insequential. Enable trace malloc to get object allocation traceback. Okay. Messageable fetch message was never awaited. So why weren't you awaited? Because sometimes I just have to add these random awaits. Okay. So let's do client, or actually, wait, why, what am I doing? What am I doing? Message.channel. Cannot assign. But I want, this is just supposed to be like a fetch. Why? Async fetch message. This function is a coroutine, retrieves a single message from the destination. This can only be used by bot accounts. Parameters int raises not found forbidden HTTP. Returns the message asked for. Okay, so how do I actually use this if I want to do something? Discord fetch message. Overriding the default provided on message forbids any extra commands from running. Channel.fetch only works on ID, for example. Blah blah blah. I'm feeding ID into a link produced at the channel, so I assumed none type. Get message. Example is a bot command. When getting a message, you're going to need messageable object. how would I then, okay. Bot command async dev, get message, channel, Discord, get, await, channel history, wait. Oh, okay, the await just goes on the other side. And then take that, set it equal last message. Cool. I really don't know why. Oh, there we go. Message ID, ignoring exception on message, traceback, 404 not found. Cool. Okay, so what the fuck was I even trying to do initially? I was trying to get the messages to see how these are being parsed, but these I'm assuming are like, okay, yeah. If I do reaction, it's just gonna be a list of objects that are associated with that message. Count, custom emoji. If this is a custom emoji, return to bool. Okay. The message of this reaction is 4. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So, I need a way to read this message, which is normally, scrolling up. Somehow I need to know, how do I turn that into one? I need to put that back into a string that I send there. What? Yeah, ooh, I'm now really interested. What happens if... Okay, so when I do the pull, what happens if I just send that message back? What happens then? Wait, message.channel send. I might not need to. Because, ooh, yeah, okay. Having thoughts about stuff here, because I really don't need a way to change or to reinterpret how the Unicode, how this is interpreted. If I can keep it as just that thing that I was getting errors for before I cleared everything, it was a -U 2705 or some shit like that. If I can just throw that back in the message, then that should work out just fine. So let's try that. I've logged in. What happens if I take this? It should just shoot this right back at me. It does. What a good little bot. What a good little bot. Okay. Good job, Discord. I don't need to know what it is. Discord will handle the conversion to and fro. No problems whatsoever. Though I do wonder now what happens if I just tried one thing at a time. One thing at a time. All right, take me back to the poll bot. Make that a little bigger, move that over there, move that like this. Okay. So Discord will handle the weird Unicode emoji stuff. No problem. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. This is working out just fine. It's all stuck, but we're good. Okay, whoops, don't close that. Leave that open, close that down. You're muted. That is good. Fuck, I'm sleepy. Probably gonna have to wrap it up here relatively soon, because I do have some other shit I need to do, even though it was a pretty short stream tonight. And I want to keep working on this. But I got other shit to do today that I'm starting to run out of time, because it's already 8 o'clock. And I'm getting sleepy. I'm gonna have to make a pot of coffee. Okay, so this, go away. I don't need that. So that's my message. Now I just need to go through the message. I need to get the actual poll prompt, the different responses, and then the different emotions, reaction things. Yeah, I guess that would be the easiest way. And the more I think about this, the more I'm really wondering, like, because typing all of this shit out is going to take just as long as if, like, I, the user, were like, hey, everyone, like, what? Having the painful realization that automating this, or having a bot that does this, is going to be next to worthless. Because if the initial prompt, let me see if I can go down here. So server get a bot for conducting polls. Leave a comment if yes or no. So even if we had now thinking where did this first come up? Fuck, where was that conversation? Was it in? Why are you being like this? Do 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 do. Fuck, why can't I find this? Where did you go? Not politics, not foreign policy. It wasn't in League of Legends or fucking econ. Investing wouldn't be there. History and science and tech. Fuck, why did it all get deleted? Where did it go? Oh, it wasn't econ. Okay, yeah. Because one of the things that reminded me of this whole prompt, that someone else on the server was asking if that bot thing ever got made. But yeah, the more I'm thinking about this, the more I am inclined to think that this is really not worth it, because there's no way that typing this all out in some format is going to be faster and better than just doing it yourself. Like, why would I type all of this shit out when I could instead say, just type out, this is prompt for a poll. Good response, bad response. Why do I keep fucking this up? Because it's an S instead of a C. Like, oh wow, that's so much easier than like trying to do all of this shit. Yeah, I don't think that this is going to be useful at all. Like in any way, shape, or form. Announcements? Is it just Polbot? So why didn't this kick off for Polbot? Probably because it's running in a general chat. So it would have tried to send the message here. Okay, yeah. The more I think about it, the more I'm thinking that this whole thing is not worth the time or the effort. And my benefit from this is pretty non-existent. Yep. Well, poop. Thought that might be a good thing, but yeah, the more I think of it, I just do not think it is worthwhile to do. I can't imagine a situation, especially for any minor thing. Yep, no, I got nothing. So I think we're just gonna call it there. Pretty short stream, not as informative as I would have liked it to be, but yep. Oh well, definitely a good reminder to always think about your project a little bit more before you just start diving in to actually, doing stuff. So, but thanks for stopping by, anyone who did. Hopefully next time will be a little more informative. I think next stream might be a little more of just a research, actual politics stream where we start researching Casey and Roe, since that might be relevant. I guess thanks for stopping by. Hope y'all had fun, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.